Welcome back to Hi-Fi Tech and Entertainment channel. In my previous video, I showed you how to create a HANA service instance and how to configure things and how to maintain the usernames and how to maintain the roles, everything. So on continuity, in today's video, I will show you how to create a dev space in Business Application Studio to establish connection to your database, and also how to create a user provided services, and also how to create a HDB grid file and how to deploy the project. These all things you will learn in today's video. So first, select the Business Application Studio. Here we have to create your dev space. Now I'm going to create a dev space. HANA app. Here you have to choose the HANA native application dev space. So it will take some time to change the status starting to the running. Then we can start your application. So once it is status changes to running, you can click on the name of the development system to open the BAS. Here we need to create a development project within your new space. So if you choose the HANA native app structure, it will show you like this. Then go to a let's get started. Here we have to select the new project from template, or else within the menu file also you can go. Now we have to click SAP HANA database project, start. Then you have to give your project name. Now I am giving the project name is Best Run Travel. So this is the project name. Then click on the next. Then it will show you the module name. Default will be the DB. I am maintaining it as a same. In the next step, you can see the database information. It will show you the namespace and schema name. So this is not mandatory. My suggestion is maintain it as an empty, and you have to choose the database version is SAP HANA Cloud, and you have to bind the module in your runtime means yes. Then click on next. Once you click on next, to bind your project to your HANA Cloud, you must log in the HANA Cloud Foundry. If you see here, the URL is populated automatically. In case if it is not there, go to your instance and go to your environment. Here you can see the Cloud Foundry login system. If you see here, this is different and this is different. Please cross check it. Sometimes it is not showing correctly. Once you enter the correct URL, if you know the credentials, select the credentials. If you forgot the credentials, no need to worry. You need to select SSO, copy and maintain the SSO password. Once you maintain this here, so you can see the organization and space are automatically here. In case if your FS login is wrong, then it will show you an empty. Then click apply. Here what you have to do is, for this HDA container service, we are not going to create a new one. So select no. Once you select this, it will show you the Cloud Foundry services what you have maintained already. This service already I created in my previous video. If you are not aware on that, please go check my previous video how this is created. Then click on finish. Once you click on finish, it will create a project. So your project will be generated. It will take some few minutes to complete the process. Once the project is complete, it will open it here. In case if it is not open, no need to worry. Go here, Explorer. Here, then open the command palette and maintain the path of that. So the structure of this HANA one, I will show you what things will be there before going to start my changes. In the left side panel down, you can see the SAP HANA project. So here you can deploy a project or you can open the HDA container in the SAP HANA database. Once you open it here you can see the multiple options. I will show you what things is there. Here if you see, this is this icon is for to open the HDA container. Once you select this, it will navigate to your HANA database explorer as we deployed some sample data here. So it will navigate automatically here. Next icon, this one is to deploy the object or folder, or we can connect the other database. And next, if you see here, the plug icon, if it is in the green means it allows you to bind. If it is in the gray means it is unbind the database connection. And if you want to create an artificial, for that view command palette, if you enter it here, SAP, you can see HANA project view and HANA database artificial. Here also you can go. If you don't know how to go it here, directly Control Shift V means the command palette will open. Otherwise, the another way how to create it is in this HANA project. Here we have an option to add the connections. Yes, so add the database connection. But once you select this, it will allows you to add a new database connection. So we have to select here connection type. Now what I am doing is, instead of choosing existing HDA container, I am choosing creator user provide service instance. Here once you enter this, we have to enter the service instance name. Maintain whatever you like. I am maintaining my UPS is the instance name, and this is the connection to a database deployment, and this is the username. This username already we created in our SQL commands. UPS grant. So if you didn't create, just go to here SQL database, then create it. If you don't know how to create, please go to my previous video. So this is the password we maintain. So I maintain the default password. So I maintain password is password 1. So I need to enter this. Then schema name, same I maintain. Here generate the database grant file. Once you select this checkbox, it will assign you a select of too many users directly from your project in an hdbgrants file. So this file will specifies that user provided service will be used to grant the tier files in the connected database. Then click on add. So the user provided service will be created. Now we have to modify the hdbgrants files. So for that you have to open the within the database, within the SRC. So this is the file we need to modify now. Yeah. So once you select it here, so instead of layout editor mode, I am opening the text editor. For that, right click, open with text editor. Once you select this, these things will generate here. Already the application user, some insert data will be there. Here I am maintaining my roles. So for that I maintain this code. So if you remember, these are the two roles I maintain for my flight service. So that roles I'm maintaining here, and this is the my grant file name I created, and these are the global roles I maintain here. Now I'm going to deploy the project. To deploy the project, what we have to do is, it's very simple. Go to your SAP HANA project. Here you can see the icon of deploy. Yes, this. Once you click on this, within the terminal, you can see the deployment process. So here you can see the project is deployed. Now what you have to do is open the HDA container in your SAP HANA Database Explorer and you can check the data. For that, what you have to do, go it here, open HDA container. Now it will open your HANA Database Explorer. Now open your SQL console and you have to write the statement to check it is updated or not. Select start from sflight dot s airport. So now you have completed the video how to maintain the database for the user provided services, and you can also set to create a calculation view for this. How to do the calculation view means, let's go to our BAS. Now you guys learned, right, how to deploy the calculations view. Now I will show you how to create a calculation view. For that, previously by using command palette we did. Now directly to go to a command palette, Control Shift P. Once you click on this, here we have to enter SAP HANA, create SAP HANA Database Artificial. Press and now under the SRC path you can see the calculation path will be created. For that we have to give the details, calculation view. So this is the name. Here you have to choose calculation view. Database is HANA Cloud. The path we have to check it. Then create. Here the calculation view is generated. Now once you open the calculation view, we can create the joins. It will take some time to load. Let's open again. So here our calculation view is generated. Now what we have to do, we have to deploy this. For that, same again, deploy, or else, yes, it is deployed and it is showing some error. Before that, what I need to check is open it here and I will check this calculation view, then we need to deploy. To check this calculation view, open here, open the column views. See, no columns is generated. Yes, the issue is the calculation view is empty. That's why here we are not getting any column view data. Once this will become, then it will support to deploy. Let me right click and open with text editor. Here attributes is there, but the data is not there. To add that joins, we have to click on view editor. Okay, so for settings the view editor is not supporting us, that's why it is not coming for me. Try it in your end, and still if you faced issue, let me know. So this is the way we have to create the calculation view. Once it is done, then we have to deploy the application as I said before. Now it is deploying. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.